In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts to HubSpot CRM from a spreadsheet. To get started, sign into your HubSpot account and make sure you're in the correct portal before making any changes. Once you're logged in, open the data integration area, then click the option to import data. From there, choose to import a file, which will take you to the contact import screen where you can begin bringing in your spreadsheet. Next, click Choose a file and locate the spreadsheet you want to import from your computer. Select the file, then upload the spreadsheet into HubSpot. After the file is uploaded, you'll be asked to select the language of your column headers. This is important because HubSpot uses those headers to understand how your data should be organized. Once that's set, take a moment to review the uploaded file on screen. This is a good chance to make sure the correct spreadsheet was selected and that the data preview looks clean and readable. If everything looks right, continue to the next step. Now you'll move into the Contact Properties section. Here, HubSpot will begin matching your spreadsheet columns to HubSpot fields. Carefully map each column to the correct property, such as first name, last name, email, phone number, company, or any other contact details included in your sheet. This step matters because accurate mapping helps prevent misplaced or incomplete records. After mapping the columns, verify each one carefully to make sure nothing is assigned incorrectly. After that, review the import settings. You'll then be asked to enter an import name. Choose something clear and easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to run multiple imports over time. Once that's done, review the import summary so you can confirm that the file, object type, and mappings all look correct. Before moving forward, confirm the import details one final time. If everything is accurate, click Finish Import to start the process. HubSpot will then begin importing your contacts, and you'll need to wait a moment for the import to complete. The timing can vary depending on the size of your spreadsheet. When the import is finished, open the import results to see how everything was processed. Review the imported contacts and check that the records appear as expected. It's a good idea to verify the contact information by opening a few entries and confirming that the data landed in the right fields. Finally, confirm that the contacts were successfully added to HubSpot CRM. Thanks for watching.